Alright, hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about Play Octopus. Shout out to Play Octopus for sending me this shirt. But today I'm gonna, wow, I like this lighting now. I thought it was good, I thought it was bad, but now all of a sudden it looks good. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys why, if you are a driver for Uber or Lyft, first of all, if you're not an Uber or a Lyft driver and you're thinking about it, I strongly recommend signing up. It's a great way to make extra money. However, if you already are an Uber or Lyft driver, or if you're still thinking about it, sure, true. I definitely recommend also signing up for Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a tablet company. They send you a free tablet to put on the back of your headrests for your passengers to play games. As you can see, I am currently in the process of moving, so I cleaned out all of my Uber and Lyft stuff, so I don't have my tablet hooked up right now. But you guys, I'm gonna show some clips throughout this video of me setting it up. It's super easy to set up. I'm gonna be talking about a couple of reasons why you definitely should sign up. First and foremost, in order to qualify to sign up, you have to at least do 100 rides per month, and you have to already have completed 100 rides per month. And what they are doing, guys, if you are an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to sign up and qualify for them to start making up to $100 extra per month, yes, up to $100 extra per month, you have to be on track to hit that 100 rides per month. So if you're, make sure you're on track to do that, so that, you know, they don't approve everybody. They're sending out a free tablet. This is an expensive thing. They want to make money. How do you make money with it? Well, your passengers play games and there's ads that go through, and then Play Octopus also takes a cut, you know, for the ads. I'm assuming they have deals with the company, with the advertisements, obviously, and you get a cut of that ad revenue. So before I get into the video, please smash the thumbs up button, guys. I really would appreciate it. If it really helps me out a lot, and subscribe, so you are notified whenever I make. Guys, look at this. I got a huge latte on accident. I wanted to just get a small one, and I just realized that this was all milk. You guys realize a latte is 90% milk, so I pretty much just got a huge jug of milk. It is really good though. However, it is super hot. Alright, so the first reason why I recommend signing up for Play Octopus is because it increases your income. It's a great side hustle to add to your side hustle. Or if you're a full-time driver, it's a great side hustle to add to your full-time income. It works on a point system, which I really do like. I currently have 31 points, and so I got those points from my passengers playing games, and also just by driving around. Even if the passengers aren't playing the games, I'm still racking up points. And once you get to 250 points, I believe, that is $25. On top of that, the second reason number 2, is that they allow you to invite others. They are kind of like Uber and Lyft. They get new drivers through a referral system, so they will pay you money to refer new people. You know, I have a personal relationship with them since I am here on the Rideshare Hub, and you know, we worked out our own deal. I don't know how much it is for just a normal driver, but since I am a driver, but I also run the YouTube channel, and that's how we connected at first. So because I'm helping them get new drivers for Los Angeles, because that's, you know, I'm in Southern California. But as a driver too, you are also invited to invite new drivers and get money through that way, so it's really cool. The third reason why I recommend signing up is because they are a really great company. Shout out to Nikki, who is, you know, on the marketing team there. She's really great. She's been helping me, and I actually met her and the team out when they came to Los Angeles last about a week ago. So the team is great. Whenever they launch in a new market, they host parties, and they were actually buying us food. They paid for it was at yeah, they gave us free Jack in the Box. You know, I have all these food allergies, so I didn't eat any. You know, I'm all vegan, grass-fed diet. I eat nuts and berries for breakfast. But no, I'm just kidding, not that strict, but I can't eat fast food. But it was still really cool, and there was 30, 40, 50 drivers there, and it was awesome. I didn't take any photos. I totally should have. Well, I think they did. Maybe I can flash them up if I do find any. Maybe they posted on Instagram or something. But it was really cool. You know, I met like 4 people on the team. One guy from Philly, I forget his name, or he works in Philly for Play Octopus. And then they're out in DC. So they came all the way out to California, and they had like 3 parties. It was super cool. So I got to meet some other drivers who do use Play Octopus as well. And you know, that just makes it that much more legit. You know, it's not, you know that they actually do care for you, and when you're signing up, you're not just a number. You know, they care about you, and that you're, you know, you're a driver, and they want, you know, it's more of like I think of it more as like you're a coworker with them. You know, you're out there making money, and then they're also making money, so it's more of like doing something together. And it's really cool. I don't want to say it's cool that you don't get paid that much, but it's not like, it's cool in the fact that you're not like relying on them for income, but you're like, it's just good extra income, if that makes sense. Like if they're paying you $1,000 a week, you might as well just quit your job and just do that, you know what I mean? But they're just, I don't know, maybe that's a bad way to explain it, but it's good extra income. And so I guess your expectations are a little bit lower, but they overpromise, over-deliver. Okay, the 4th reason is that it's super easy to set up and install and honestly get approved. The sign-up process is super easy, and they send you out a tablet. Like, I've seen pictures on the Instagram where they're sending out like hundreds of tablets at a time. Unfortunately, there are wait lists in a lot of areas, and they're not in every market yet, although I hear they are hopefully expanding nationwide soon. Rumors has it. But the sign-up process is super easy. Again, like I said, you need to do at least 100 rides per month, and you have to send in screenshots. And you cannot just say, oh yeah, I'll do 100 rides. If you're a new driver, do your 100 rides first and then sign up for Play Octopus. That way you can qualify, get through the application process. Oh yeah, and then my final reason is that it increased, well, I'll say two final reasons. One final reason is that it increases your tips that you get with your passengers. Like, I noticed when I started using Play Octopus, my passengers tip me a lot more. Why? Because now instead of them just sitting in the back seat, they're playing games with you. And I guess this does kind of, you know, go into my, not with you, but they're playing games in the back seat. This goes into my final reason why you should sign up for Play Octopus, is because it increases it makes the overall experience of driving a lot more fun. Like, for instance, I picked up a couple at a bar the other day, right? And I had Play Octopus in. And you guys know me, whenever I go to pick up a passenger, I always have my doors locked, and I always go, hey, are you here for a Lyft? Or hey, are you here for an Uber? And when they say yes, I always ask them, what is your name? I make them tell me their name. I never assume it's their name. And the girl's name was like, I don't even remember what it was. It was like, let's just say it was Kelly, right? I said, hey, what is your name? And she goes, no, you need to tell me what your name is. And I go, no, you need to tell me what your name is. I'm the driver. I don't know. The only way for me to confirm that my correct passenger is for you to tell me your name. And she goes, no, I'm a girl. You need to tell me what your name is. And I go, nope. And she's trying to open the door, and I go, no, you can check my license plate and make sure it confirms on your app that we have the correct license plate. But for all I know, you could be some random stranger, so I'm not telling you my name. And she's trying to look at my app to see you know, to see what the name is. And we kind of got into this little like scuffle. Anyways, and but then she finally got in my car, and then after a while they started playing the games, and then it made like it took the ride that probably would have been a boring ride. It probably was probably gonna get like a low star anyways, because it started out with that little argument. But trust me, that argument is worth the, you know, the safety factor of that whole situation. So always ask your passenger what their name is. Make them provide you their name. But when they start playing the games, and they no joke, played like 10 rounds of games. They're trivia games, mostly. And then I think one is like Guess the Cup or something. But yeah, and then we start having a great conversation after that too. It was a couple, and then they start asking me like, oh, do I have a girlfriend? I don't think they were trying to like do anything weird. But they were like, you know, then they started giving me dating advice. It was great. Left me a 5-star, and they left me a tip. So Play Octopus really saved the day on that one. But all in all, like, you're gonna find more rides like that where you get passers in and they're playing the games, it's good vibes, and overall leads to a better, more fun driving experience. And because if you're a driver, you know a lot of rides are just kind of boring. You know, you're just sitting there chilling. You know, your passengers in the back seat sitting on their phone or whatever, they don't want to talk. I mean, you know, I don't blame them, but you're gonna have less of those rides and more like of those fun rides where you're actually engaging with your passengers. So also, yeah, I got this shirt from the driver meetup. So if Play Octopus is launching in your area soon, yeah, maybe you can go and get a free t-shirt at their meetup too. So yeah, and also if you do sign up, make sure to use my code. I will leave it in the link in the description below, so you can sign up using my code, and you know, that way they can see that you sign up using my code. And maybe you'll get signed up even faster when you use my code. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. Again, leave the video a big thumbs up for me. I would appreciate it a lot. It does help me out a ton. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss another video on my channel. Again, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. And also a little bonus plug, if you want to get some rideshare merch, now we have merch linked in the description down below. This is the long sleeve. This is super soft and super comfy. Sorry, Play Octopus, I wanted to plug my own shirt because I think these shirts, I like these shirts better than Play Octopus's. I mean, I like went and picked out the nicest, comfiest shirt. It's super soft and fashion central. So anyways, you can check that out in the link in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching today's video. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I will talk to y'all soon. All right, bye guys.